Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praises are due to Almighty Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Infinite peace and salutations be upon our Prophet, beloved Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, the mercy for all creation, his noble family and his righteous companions. Today, I am standing before you with a heart full of gratitude. First of all, by the boundless mercy of Almighty Allah, by the heartfelt duas of my parents, by the nurturing environment of my madrasa, by the tireless guidance of my teachers, I have been honored with GPA 5 in Dakhil examination. First of all, I want to appreciate to my parents whose sleepless nights, silent sacrifices, and especially whose endless prayers have been the light of my success and achievement. Secondly, I want to thank to my teachers, honorable teachers, who didn't only fill my mind with knowledge, but also shaped my character with discipline, responsibility, sincerity, and love for Deen Islam, and especially for Sunnah, Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat. Thirdly, I want to appreciate to my beloved madrasa, my beloved institution, Jamia Ahmadiyya Sunnah Kamil Madrasa, which has been my spiritual home, where faith and knowledge work hand in hand. I also want to appreciate to my governing body, whose dedicated efforts, vision, and especially care have ensured a bright result, a bright future for all the students. And at last, I also appreciate to my friends, my classmates, for their companionship, their encouragement, which companionship and encouragement made this journey more joyful and more easier. It's nothing but the mercy of Almighty Allah, the prophetic gaze of Rasul Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the blessed glance of our Mashayikh Hazrat Karam rahmatullahi alaihim. Today, our joy is multiplied. You can ask me why? Because our Dakhil 2025 batch, this year our institution, our beloved Jamia, has achieved 100% pass rate in Dakhil examination, and our 2025 batch will be a memorable batch in the history of Jamia, inshallah. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allamahu." The best of you, thus who learn the Holy Quran and teach it. This success and achievement is not the end, but the beginning of a greater responsibility to use knowledge for the service of Islam, for the benefit of general people, for the spread of Aqidah Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. May Allah affords our teachers, our Jamia, our parents, our friends. I am thanking to my governing body and my madrasa authority for arranging this wonderful felicitation program. I am also thanking to the honorable editor of Daily Azadi, M.A. Malik sir, for giving us his valuable time and for attending this felicitation program. At last, I am finishing my speech here by praising to Almighty Allah and by saying Darood to Rasul Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you to all. Ma'assalam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.